So here we have the Amazon Eero Pro mesh Wi-Fi system. It comes with one Eero Pro and two Eero beacons. This second generation Eero Pro can extend your home Wi-Fi of up to 1,750 square feet. The Eero beacons can also extend it up to 1,500 square feet, and so you can just plug it into any wall outlet to get rid of any dead zones. So we have a quick start guide. Power cable. This is the main Eero Pro, the router. And then we have two beacons that plug directly into the wall. Next, I'll be unboxing the Echo Show 5 and the Echo Dot. So let's start with the Echo Dot. Put this aside. So it looks like there's only two steps. Download Amazon Alexa and then plug it in and play. So check this out. Here is the Echo Dot. This is the 4th edition. So you can see it's about the size of your hand, fits in your hand. So it has 4 buttons here. Looks like probably mute, power, and the volume plus and minus. Okay. So it has a couple of booklets. And we have the power cable. Moving on to the Echo Show 5. So this one is newer than the Echo Dot, and it comes with a display screen and a camera. Although right now there is the Echo Show 8 and Echo Show 10. This one was very cheap on sale on Prime days. I believe it was around $45. So let's open it up. Right away we have the screen here. With the buttons at the top, the mute, the plus and minus volume, and then this is to shut off the camera for privacy. In the back we have a USB port here and a AV, the power cord. Information booklets. And the power cord. Set. A believe these are actually equivalent from the Echo Dot and the Echo Show 5. Yep, they look exactly the same. Just for size comparison, you can see the Dot next to the Show. Similar in height, you can see.
Hello. Ready for setup.